What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I have another concealer review for you guys. So I don't know if you can tell, but I am kind of sick. I'm kind of stuffed up, but I didn't want to go without making a video. It seems like a long time to me because I pre-film, so I really technically haven't filmed a video in like 2 days, I believe, even though I might have just put a video up, or 3 days, I don't know, even though I might have just put a video up. So it seems like a long time to me, even though it might not be as long for y'all. But basically what I'm going to be doing is another concealer review, because y'all know I love my concealer reviews. So I have this NYX, or NYX concealer, and it's waterproof, it says, and it's in the color Deep Caramel. It's probably, oh, it's about to focus, but it's in the color Deep Caramel. Also, I got my light, so right now, I'm gonna just show you the difference. So I am in natural lighting already, so it's not gonna be that big of a difference, but this is the difference with me not having the lights on. So like, to me it's okay, I don't mind it. Like, I don't mind the way that I look right now, but I just think the lights, especially for at nighttime, are going to be really helpful and useful, which is of course why I bought it. But yeah, that's the difference. So right now I am kind of like brightened up a little bit, which is fine. We're just about to get into this concealer review. Also, as a disclaimer, I hope this headband or this little bandana doesn't offend anybody. I know when I was younger, my mom used to tell me not to wear like red and blue one of these outside the house, because, I mean, people might mistakenly identify you being part of a gang. So I hope this doesn't offend anybody. I think we're kind of over that stage now, hopefully, in this generation, but I'm not really sure. So I'm about to just unbox this for you all, just so y'all can get my like review of everything. So like how I think the packaging is. I'm gonna break my nails, just everything. So I don't even know. Oh, it's like a squeeze bottle one. I didn't know that. So I didn't know it was a squeeze bottle one. I guess if I would have read it, I would have known. Okay. I'm kind of scared. I don't know why, but I am. So it doesn't even come with like an applicator. So I'm gonna just put it. I'm confused. Yeah, it doesn't really. I'm gonna just put it on my hand because I don't think it. Let me just. I don't think this is gonna work how I want it to. So yeah, I'm gonna just put it on my hand. And then use my brush to conceal. It's kind of a like thick bottle too, and the product is like not all the way filled up. But I mean, that's okay. I'm not really tripping. But this is the color of the product. I hope it blends well with my skin. I gotta get my blending brush though.
Okay. So we're about to see how this goes. I hope y'all can see, because I know one of these videos I had the mirror all up in the way. So this is kind of light. It's like, I don't know what the, it's like, y'all see that? It's like turning dark. What's it?
Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to clean my brush off. I'm like, what? I might have to redo all of that. I was real life so confused. So I had to put some more on there. But yeah, I forgot to clean my brush off from my eyebrows. So that's why it was like, that's why I was like dark brown. I'm like, why is it drying so dark? I was about to be like, I need to work on something. So I'm about to do it for real now.
And I think for next time, I can already tell that I am going to have to get a darker color. And I think they did have darker colors there too. But I'm like, I don't know. Sometimes the packaging just seems darker than what it really is. Yeah, I be so selfish when I be doing my makeup, don't I? I do not be trying to show y'all for real. I'm always either blocking like this or doing it this way where y'all can clearly not see. My bad. I just messed up. To me, I messed it up. So it's like, it's creamy, most definitely. Oops, I got some on my eyebrows. But yeah, it's most definitely creamy. No doubt about that. But I say that every single time on every single concealer review. And then when I start using it more and more and more, it's like, oh, it's not that creamy. But this one's not even like drying like the other one. This one is like really creamy. So, and I don't think this is my color for real. I'm about to just blend it in. It's blending in kind of oily. I'll say that for sure. Most definitely seems like good coverage though. So
it is kind of oily, but it's good coverage. I can see myself using this. Also, as I blend it in, it's not that far from my skin tone at all. So, I do see I do feel like it's a little ghost-like, but that could just be because it's not my color. Like around here, it looks a little bit like white, but that's definitely not a major nothing major that's wrong with it. I can, and actually the lighting picks up, like the lighting on the camera picks it up more than in the mirror, because in the mirror it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, so I can most definitely cover that up if I wear like a light foundation, so it doesn't look as ghostly around there, because I just hate when my eyes look like that. But yeah, this is kind of it's a good concealer. It has good coverage, although it is oily and creamy, like I keep saying. So that is my review on the NYX concealer. This is what it looks like, and again, it's in the color Deep Caramel, and it's waterproof at the same time. I'm not gonna test whether or not it's waterproof. I guess I can tell y'all that in like a different type of video. But yeah, it is Dark Beauty 9925 coming to you live. Bye.